Bharat Chandra, Ushashree and Jahnavi. My problem statement ID is 25011 and problem statement name is Smart Curriculum Activity and Attendance App. Our problem statement ID comes under software category and we are generating a new app for the students and college curriculum. Thank you. Siddhartha will explain about BBT.
Basically, coming to this app, this is the next generation app for the colleges within the students, teachers and admins. This is an app which is used not only as a student app but also it can be categorized in three different roles, which is as an admin, as a teachers, as a students, and we can maintain our curriculum and attendance in a single app. So in this we have generated a new type of system as a QR code, so that every particular student will get a QR code, a separate code, so that only that student can be identified by that only code. So maximum proxies which are now the issue can be solved by this app. And in this we have kept the schedulers and annual calendars, and also about pre-scheduling the classes and attendance making also. And here only admin can access the full controlled app, like accessing about the teachers info and accessing about the students info. But teachers can access the students details and info, but student can only access their info, like having their attendance and assignments and their overall performance of the semester or exams. Next slide will continue by my friend Bharat.
Yeah, this is the technical approach of our process. This is the three parts we categorize into three parts. First one, front end. Second one, back end. Third one is database. First, come to the front end. In the front end, we take the user interface. First of all, we have these part of two types and categories: web application and mobile application. In web application, for user interface, when the application is used to, these are the languages we need to put on it. So, JavaScript and types of Java, and the frameworks are used in this concept. So these are the React.js and style CSS. And mobile application, we need to work in framework for the React navigation. And in the backend, these are the technologies we need to put on it. Node.js and Python, DJ and Go. Node.js for R and Python, React.js. So, third one is
there is one little
we need to use SQLs and Excels sheets and also authentications. In the SQLs for attendance data for user data, and authentications for middleware. And last one is Excels and JS. Excels are used in PDF to show all the categories zonals around the project. And also this is the total schema of the framework. Next time we have to continue.
Thank you, Bharat Chandra, for saying about that. My slide is about the visibility and the flexibility. And here the feasibility. In the feasibility, it says about here in the feasibility, it says about the realistic how the app will work. In this, it has some several terms. This technical feasibility, and operational feasibility, and the economical feasibility. In the technical feasibility, it says about the how this app works easier to our students, admins, and the teachers. In the operational feasibility, it says easier how this app works for them. In the economical feasibility, it is low cost development and it reduces the low cost efficiency. And it reduces the time of usage of papers and all other issues they are facing in the real-time situations. In the viability, real-world viability, it matches current demands of our digital education, of our tools. It supports our government education policies, NEP 2020. This handles data storage and the private. Offline positions for the poor internet access. Here, the data is very secure and a priority. Thank you for giving this opportunity. My friend, Jackie will introduce the study.
Thank you, Shashri, for telling about the information. Coming to impacts and benefits for admits, mark level attendance and faculty for students. For admits, faculty and students also access the data in admits. For teachers, they can only access the data of the students. Easy export of the weekly month attendance data. Proactive interventions with low attendance alerts for students. Real-time validity of attendance. Turn alerts to improve the punctuality and the automated reports for the self-tracking or submissions. Long-term benefits was the boost the institutional accountability, real-time attendance feedbacks. Low attendance alerts the promote creativity and the late comers. The next narrator will continue.
Now I come. Now I continue to about the research and reference window and research and QR code and page readiness faster than the manual methods and web applications and mobile readiness cloud-based tracking, internet connectivity and face recognition is 97 accuracy and some face issues is privacy and lighting infrastructures. These are methods and now I told and take the references and by this learning app and attendance management. These are the some types of and taken our project and advertisements is multi-role dashboards. It is teachers and admin students. These are the roles of structure interface and it is working real time and offline. This time and this scalability and the low cost. It is in open source code in stack. For example, in Node.js and React Native, these are taken the some open source codes.
So this is our main interface. This is a student's login portal. So we have categorized this app into 3 login portals. One is for admin and another one is for teachers and last one is for students. In this student login portal, as you can see, this is a student portal. So we can see the overall attendance of the student and number of classes that is scheduled for the student at today and the pending assignments and the new notifications, like what are the other events maybe or other assignments maybe, what are the other messages will be there which will be given from the teachers or admins will be shown in the notification portal. Now this is a quick calendar. In quick calculator. In this, we can the student can approximately calculate his CGP or other calculations about his marks. Maybe those are from mid-mits or from SEMs. And this is the overall subject test and the marks and the grades also is given in this one. And this is the monthly attendance rate. In this, the overall attendance per month means in which day, how many classes he has attended or how many days he has attended for that day, month is shown in this. And subject-wise attendance also there. Here we are providing the attendance as not like for a day attendance. We are providing for a subject attendance. Means for every particular subject, the attendance will be given as respectively, so that there will be no proxies. The main motive of this app is to maintain a good curriculum and reduce the proxies. By manual attendance, we are now the main problem for the students and teachers are about proxies. So we want to not completely eradicate, but we want to minimize the proxies about the attendance. And you can see the assignment submission table, and graph over time, and also you can see the performance and also study time distribution table. And once. And this is the interface about only students login. Now we are going to tell you about the teachers login. So here now we are going to see about the teachers login. So you can see the at right top corner you can see the faculty name, and the same aspects will be there. But in the teachers logins we can see the teacher can overall see the performance of a student, and in which student is lagging behind or overall student's performance for his subject. And mainly you can see the attendance list of that particular subject, and you can say once okay. So this is the admin's login. Yes, that's not. So this is the admin's login. In admin's login is specially designed only for the admins like HODs and the principals and about other heads. So that in this admin's login, the overall admin can see the not only about students but also faculty and their faculty complaints and their students' performance overall, means from past to now, all this info about the students and their performances and what the complaints about their students and other lagging subject behind can be seen by the admin. The admin can change the details of the teachers and students, but teachers can change the info about the students, but students can't change anything in this app. So this is about the admin's portal. So this is the overall view about our app. If there are any queries, that as is open.